Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Ira Fahlia. I'm going to present my research with the title is How is the application of Socratic learning to make students think critically? Before I start my presentation, I want to introduce the members in this research. Those are Ira Fahlia, Dona Fitriawan, Dwi Rahmawati, Mustika, and Aulia Hanifah Komar. Well, ladies and gentlemen, the presenter by Ira Fahlia. Number 1, introduction. Why do the research? Based on the needs analysis carried out, students experience difficulties in understanding linear algebra material, including answering questions given by the lecturer. The index of student success in learning is not only obtained from the results of the evaluation test given at the end of the lesson. Thinking critically is recommended and applied to all educational curricula to provide a process of how to construct knowledge that is applied by educators. Students also do not quickly ask difficult questions to do because they are seldom to asking questions and mentioned that critical thinking skills are very important to be taught to the millennial generation because one of them is Socratic learning so that students can design their solution and have good creativity. Next, research method. The type of research is a quantitative approach. The research method using descriptive statistics is used to describe the result of observing the implementation of learning while students. Critical thinking uses inferential statistical analysis. Before using the t-test, a prerequisite test was carried out, namely the normality test and the balance test using the Lilliefors test. This study used quasi-experimental research with a post-test only design. Result and discussion. The result application of linear algebra learning using the Socratic method. The research was carried in even semester of 2021 until 2022 academic year at the Mathematics Education Study Program, Tanjung Pura University. Learning using the Socratic method, which consists of 8 meetings with the task of the first meeting until the 7th meeting is a learning activity and the 8th meeting is collecting data. Namely, carrying out a thinking post-test critical student in the form of essay test. Okay, next, prior to the implementation of learning, all instruments were validated by experts, namely 3 lectures of mathematics education, and the reliability test was carried on as many as 25 students by giving 5 critical thinking test questions. The test questions are said to be reliable if more than 0.4 based on the result of the calculation of reliability with alpha formula. It is obtained that the test question can be used in research. Okay, the average critical thinking ability of students in the experimental class is higher than the control class. The experimental class saw an average of 85.72 with a very critical category, while in the control class the average was 49.92 with a non-critical category. After testing the prerequisites using the normality test and homogeneity test, the next step is hypothesis testing using the t-test. Okay, and data of experimental class and control class students. This data were used in the two average difference test and the two average similarity tests. Okay, this is students' response questionnaire. From figure above, it is found that many students choose the option of agreeing and strongly agreeing when even for the statement item in very pleasant learning. No one choose to disagree and not strongly agree. Students can understand the concept of linear algebra with the highest score of 83%. Discussion. The application of the Socratic method to improve student critical thinking skill is follow. On the first day, the material for vector space and subvector space is presented with the learning steps, namely number one, explaining the achievement or learning objective. Number two, opening core and closing activities of learning. Number three, providing discussions and exercise as assignment. And next, by discussing various problems in Socrates question, for examples in vector space problem, how do you solve them? If so, why do you think that space? If not, why do you think that space is not a vector space? Are you sure that the answer is correct? And the last conclusion, modern learning uses the Socratic learning method so that it can improve critical thinking skills to make real change in learning, such as generating questions that are centered on student, improving skills, carry out evaluation, and learning communication. Linear algebra lectures can use the Socratic method in learning linear algebra. Well, ladies and gentlemen, that's all about my presentation. Thank you very much, and I say wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.